Hey everyone, Street Smart Joker here, and today we have an unboxing video. It's been some time since I did an unboxing video because I've not been getting too much stuff to unbox of late, and I've completely forgotten about this order. I had placed it at least a month back from Regal Publishers. Obviously you can see the Phantom here, and I really loved the packaging that they have this time. The first time the packaging was not so great, and I had given them a fair feedback on that, and I'm so happy to see that although they now started charging something additional for the shipping and packaging, but I think that's fair, right? If you get the books in the shape that you want in a pristine condition, I think that it's a fair bargain. So I'm happy to pay the extra amount, and I'm happy to see that these books have arrived in a proper cardboard packing. And not just that, inside they also had this bubble wrapping, right? Which was fantastic, right? And within the bubble wrap was the actual set of comics, which you can see here. So that's the unboxing that I'm going to do for all of you guys today. And do watch out, and please do subscribe if you haven't already, because now I'm assuming that we will have much more unboxing coming up in the next couple of months. So let's quickly jump onto this unboxing video, and let's look at what we have in store within this bubble wrap packaging. And it's also a good glimpse of what you guys will get if you order from this publisher directly, and I would urge you to do so because it's a great initiative that they're bringing a set of comics back, and these are obviously classic comics of Phantom and Mandrake and the likes, which are great to be back in the Indian comic industry. So inside of it I see another great thing, which is it has shrink wrapping, right? The last time I purchased comics from them, there was no shrink wrapping at all, so that's another great thing. So what I ordered is the next set of comics. The ones I got initially was number 1 and number 2, and now I think today we have number 3 and number 4, and if I'm not wrong, I think I ordered an extra of number 1 again, just for me to keep. And I'd also requested if they could send some of it with some signatures also, because just to keep it like a memorabilia. So let's jump in and see if they've done that. I just wanted it from, let's say, the editor or somebody of that sort who is bringing these comics back to life. Obviously we cannot get it from the direct creators like the writer and the artist, because those are mostly international guys. So we have a Phantom card. It's been long time since I got any cards or collected anything like this, so interesting. Okay, this both of them are the same. That's interesting. And then I think, okay, they've sent me 2 sets of it, which is fantastic. Thanks to Regal for sending me these 2 sets of cards. Really looks good. Phantom in the bag, I mean, and in different backgrounds, I guess. And then we have bookmarks. Let's see. Oh, okay, there is a slight issue with this bookmark. I think because it was close to the shrink wrapping, there is a marking that has happened on it, unfortunately. I hope that doesn't happen for all of them, or I'll be truly disappointed. Let's see. Okay, taking it out slowly. This one is much better. I don't see that happening here. And what do we have again? Okay, I'm taking it out again slowly from the shrink wrapping. Okay, this one also looks good. So I have 2 of this Phantom jumping over this, and then I have the last one, right? So this one looks good. This is the same earlier copy which I had got, which was not in a great condition, this one. So at least this one is good. So what you would notice, guys, is that I could clearly see these are artworks from the original number 1 and number 2 books, right? I have those books, I will show you as well. So it's been taken from them, obviously, because I guess this cover arts was done specifically for India, right? So it was not taken from the cover art of these books originally published. That's why these guys had made these cover arts and the stickers and all this other cards. So we have, it's well packed, right? I'm so happy that my feedback also went through to them, and they were happy to work on it. Okay, let's see, what do we have as the first book today? We have, okay, this is the number 1 book, and I had requested for the number 1. I just asked the editor of Regal Publishers to sign it, and he did, and that's why. So I have this book already. I just wanted one more with a signature, just for keeper's sake. So thanks for that, Regal. Really glad you could send me a signature copy of the #1 Phantom, which you have published. Now, truly excited to see the next two, because obviously we know what those are, and they've just got published very recently, a couple of weeks back, or let's say 1 month back, I think. And the first one is the Phantom #3, right? Really cool cover. I think they've really worked on the cover as compared to, let's say, this one, which was plain and simple. Now they have a very vibrant cover, and what I'm understanding is that this images are also taken from somewhere within the book, right? And the paper quality of the books are also great. Now I think so I think this is a mirror image. The train which you see here, the mirror image of that is in this cover, right? So they blended in some of the pictures that comes within this, and I can really feel the great paper quality in my hands. So thanks, Regal, for that. I think you're really kicking it up a notch with that. So that is Phantom #3. It has two stories, the Iron Python and the Prince Rex Conspiracy. And like somebody asked that are these stories from Lee Falk? While it is created by Lee Falk, the story is by Tony DePaul and artist is Graham Nolan. And cover art is Abhilash Chako. That's from here own. It's an Indian artist who done the cover art. But from what I understand, this is all blended from the artwork inside. So it's not really a novel cover art like something they did here. And here, for example, the cover art was done by somebody else. It was done by Vincent Moses Raja. Although the stories also is different. It's from Claes Remerthi. So there are some changes. I will do a review of this 1, 2, 3, 4, all 4, and then we'll discuss all of this in detail. Let's quickly jump in, and I don't want to keep that unboxing. I really love this cover art. I think this is the best of the lot. This is fantastic, and only thing which I notice is that this stapler is a bit out of place from where it is. Also, oh, great thing, I just noticed that they've sent me so there is another sign here from the editor for this books as well, for both of these books. I had just asked for that request. That's great. Yeah, there is a slight issue with the stapler being misplaced in this one. Cover art is brilliant. Only question for me is, why is Devil in white? Usually he's always in black. Like maybe it's inspired from somewhere inside. So this is Phantom #4. Again, it is from Tony DePaul, Paul Ryan, and the cover art is also different this time. Again, it's by Luca Erbetta. Okay, so I had some difficulty reading that, but I don't think that difficulty happens in the inside pages. No, I don't see it. It has two stories again. The stories are of the Plutonium Pirates and the Jungle Lesson. So that's it, guys. It wanted to be quick and short. I got 3 more books from Regal. Only the #3 and #4 are the new ones. This one I already have. But if you guys like this unboxing video, do leave a thumbs up, and do order from Regal, because the more you order, the more they will publish, and we will all be happy. So until next time, until the next unboxing, bye bye.